guys, I was just sitting here doing my makeup and I'm like, why? How come I don't record this? I should just be recording this. So now I'm applying powder. I'm gonna fill you in. I'm applying powder. And don't forget to like and subscribe to today's video. I will be uploading videos as much as I can. And click the bell button so you can stay up to date. Yeah. So today we're gonna do, I'm doing a pretty basic everyday look, well, makeup look. I don't like to apply a lot of makeup because who has time for that? I want my skin to breathe. And on top of that, I was breaking out, so I'm gonna do this as freaking fast as I could because I gotta get out of here anyway. Sorry, I'm picking my nose. Yeah, hope everybody's doing amazing. I didn't forget about the video that I will be making regarding frequencies and stuff. I didn't forget about that yet. I didn't forget. I like to brush my eyeliner under my eyelashes before I apply mascara, because when you do that, I have curly eyelashes, so they're all over the place, so I have to brush them before I apply mascara. And you know, my hair is like, I have to apply detangle to detangle my hair. That's the same with my eyelashes. The same way that you see this nappy eyelashes, nappy hair, it means nappy eyelashes. So this is it. That's what you get, man. Yeah. I barely, unless I'm doing a photo shoot, that's when I actually or I'm going to an event. That's when I apply I put on fake eyelashes. Other than that, I want to keep my beauty as straightforward as possible, as free of fake shit as possible, because I don't know, I think it's on, well, some people doesn't have it, so I don't have to say anything. I was blessed to have curly eyelashes, so yeah, I was blessed in a lot of ways. I was blessed with natural stuff. I have a hair that I have a hair that's just naturally curly, nappy, whatever you want to call it. I have small curls. It's crazy, kinky curls, and meaning that hair can get, I can straighten it, I can curly it. I don't have to put any extra. I don't have to pay thousands of dollars to go to get a perm. So you damn right, I was blessed. I was blessed with outer beauty. Not too many people was that blessed. I'm not cocky. It's just the reality and the truth. And if you're not comfortable in your own beauty, I mean, who would do it for you? So yeah, this is what I do, and then I'm gonna clean it up because I have eyelashes all over. I don't know. I used to have a small eye mascara for my eyelid, for my lower lash, and I don't know what I did with it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And no, I don't. Yeah, my eye. This is my my eyebrows, and no, I didn't clean my eyebrows or fix it, whatever you want to call it, to make it look like everybody else's eyebrows. I figured, you know what, my eyebrows was given to me in this shape, right? Because it fits my face so perfectly. yeah, it's a little bushy, but a lot of people are going out there and having surgery, cosmetic surgery, to have their eyelashes, to have eyebrows. So I have a pair of thick eyebrows. And I was asking myself, why do I need to go pay $25 to get it quote unquote fixed just to look like everybody else's eyebrows on the street? I mean, this is perfect shape for my face. So why would I need to reshape it to make it look like what society thinks it should look like? And I was thinking, like, why am I this one? To me, it's a waste of money. My eyebrows are shaped perfectly. When I look at them now, they're shaped perfectly. What else do I need to go and do? Look at my eyebrows. Tell me, what else do I need to go? $25, so I need to pay somebody to trim it. So those are the stupid decisions that I've come to conclusion that I don't need to make. And yeah, I am actually perfectly fine just the way I look. And then when I was looking, I'm like, why do I even do that? Like, why? It's not even. What's the purpose of me spending $25? Yes, that's how it costs. $25 for me to get my eyebrows threaded. Why do I need to do that? Why? So my eyebrows can look like everybody else's, like the way it's supposed, society said it needs to look like. No, that's not gonna happen again. Now I'm gonna like, yeah, I have big lips, and this helps tones it down when I put the lipstick, because yeah, this is gonna help tone it down a little. So when I when I put the lipstick, it's not gonna pop like cock-sucking lips. So we're gonna tone it down a little with this. And by the way, I'm using, this is from Paris Hilton. Yes, I love it. This is a little, see, I'm gonna put it in the middle here. Yeah, I love her line, her makeup line. See, it tones it down, you know. There you go. It's not too big. It's not, because if I put this by itself, it's gonna be like boom. There was not going to be any definitions or anything like that. So it's gonna be out there. So we need to bring it down 3 notches. Yeah, I'm gonna fix my freaking hair a little. Let's see. Sorry guys, I gotta go get my earrings. I had them on yesterday. I don't want to turn this off, so I might have to put my earrings on after I turn this camera off, because I found one pair. I found one inside, and I need to find the other one. I don't know what I put the other one. I'll be back, you guys. Yeah, that is so unprofessional. Sorry. I don't want to turn this off, because if I turn this off and I cannot edit any of my videos, because I don't have the proper equipments yet. But what I can do is come back here and finish this, because I wanted to share something else with you. Before you put your lipstick on, and make sure that you moisturize your lip. Not even moisturize it. Moisturize it. Whatever. Moisturize it. Is that the English word? Okay, pronunciation problem. Yeah, I have an SPF 30 and I use almost natural, it says natural mineral sunscreen lip balm. That's a sunscreen for your lip. You put this first, you leave it like for a minute or so, and then you have to apply this. I did this before I turned on the camera, so that's why you didn't see me doing it, but I still wanted to share it. See, Whole Foods, baby. Oh, I love that place. I love Whole Foods. Yeah, this is the final look. Very simple, very natural. I wanted to do my eye. Should I? Yeah, maybe. I'll put a little definition on top. Little definition here. Let's see this. And we're gonna blend this. I think I put way too much anyway. I should have never decided to do that. Yeah, we're gonna turn this down a little. Remove some of these. Yeah, I need to take a makeup class. Yeah, I just have to blend this. I don't even remember which one I use. I'll go back and take some of that thing off. This is better now. Yes. I'm gonna put a little more mascara. Yeah, that's better. The lighting is crap though. I need to get new equipment and new cameras and stuff, because I'm doing this on my phone and it's not professional yet. Anyway, this is it, you guys. I'm gonna let this dry a little, and I'm gonna bake this a little. Yes, my face is a cake, so the final touch is to put it in the oven and bake it. We're gonna put the Flawless HD baking powder from Absolute. Well, it's a setting powder. It sets your makeup in, and then you can go and conquer the world. It just removes all the shines and stuff, and give you your face a fresh look. That's it. And voila. Merci tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.